Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to Outlook translate email. Open the Outlook app. When you do so, from the File menu, click on Options. There you will go to the Language section. At the bottom, in Office Authoring Languages and Proofing, you can click on Add a Language in case you need to add a new language. Now select the language to translate and click on Set as Preferred. Click on Yes to confirm. You can close this window by clicking on OK. Close the pop-up window and close and open Outlook again. Now right-click on the email, click on Translate, and then select Translate Message. You will see your translated email. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.